Looking for expert water heater inspection in Fort Saskatchewan? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important it is to keep your water heater running efficiently and safely. Over time, sediment buildup, worn-out components, or hidden leaks can lead to higher energy bills and unexpected breakdowns. Our professional water heater inspection service helps detect potential issues early, preventing costly repairs and ensuring reliable hot water year-round. In Fort Saskatchewan, hard water and fluctuating temperatures can put extra strain on your system. That's why our licensed technicians perform a detailed assessment, checking heating elements, pressure valves, and overall system performance to keep your water heater operating at peak efficiency. With Kingstree Plumbing, you get expert service, competitive pricing, and fast, reliable scheduling. Book your water heater inspection today. Call now or schedule online.